how to download a design on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to download a design on Canva PC to your computer easily. First thing, go to Canva, log into your account. Now this is the home page. Go down and click on your design. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. Now if you want to download, all what you have to do is click on share here in the top corner and go down, click on download. Now go to the file type and choose any type you want. You have PNG, JPG, PDF, PDF print, SVG and MP4 or GIF. Choose any of these and click on it like this and click download. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.